Development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025. Overview of software architectures and budget allocation. Introduction. As the world faces increasing economic challenges and the necessity for enhanced global cooperation, the development of a multinational economic collaboration platform has emerged as a pivotal initiative. Set to be operational by 2025, this platform aims to facilitate trade technology sharing and crisis response among countries. The project is backed by a budget of approximately $4 million, with Creative Business Solutions Incorporated (CBS) as the awarded contractor under the auspices of the National Science Foundation (NSF). Project Overview. The primary objective of the Multinational Economic Collaboration Platform is to streamline economic interactions among participating nations, making it easier for businesses and governments to collaborate effectively. The platform will employ various software architectures to meet diverse regional needs while ensuring data integrity and user accessibility. Software architectures. 1. Centralized architecture. Description. In this model, a single server or a set of servers handle all data processing and management. This architecture promotes uniformity in data handling and security protocols. Pros: simplified management and maintenance, enhanced security due to centralized control over sensitive data. Cons: potential scalability issues, as a growing number of users may strain the system. Risk of a single point of failure which can compromise the entire platform. 2. Decentralized architecture. Description. This approach distributes data and control across multiple nodes, reducing reliance on a central server. Each node operates independently, contributing to overall system resilience. Pros: increased scalability and flexibility to adapt to local regulations and data sovereignty laws. Enhanced fault tolerance. If one node fails, others can continue to operate. Cons: more complex management and potential challenges in maintaining data consistency across nodes. Security measures must be robust, as each node can become a target. 3. Hybrid architecture. Description. This model combines elements of both centralized and decentralized architectures. It allows for localized data governance while centralizing certain functionalities for strategic oversight. Pros: flexibility to meet diverse needs across different regions. Facilitates compliance with local regulations while maintaining a cohesive platform. Cons: requires careful design to balance the benefits of both architectures without introducing unnecessary complexity. Potential challenges in integration and communication between centralized and decentralized components. Financial overview. The project has a total budget of approximately $4.5 million, with a significant portion already allocated. As of the latest reports, $3.7 million has been outlaid since the project commenced on April 1, 2022. The contract is set to conclude on March 31, 2024, with a potential extension until March 31, 2026. Contingent upon project requirements and stakeholder feedback. Funding allocation. Total award amount, $4.5 million. Obligated amount, $4.5 million. Outlaid amount, $3.7 million. Importance of collaboration. The platform aims to enhance economic collaboration among countries, addressing critical areas such as trade technology sharing and crisis response. Experts emphasize the increasing need for nations to work together in an interconnected global economy, particularly in overcoming challenges posed by economic downturns and geopolitical tensions. Security and data integrity. Given the multinational nature of the platform, robust security measures are paramount. Protecting sensitive financial data from cyber threats and ensuring data integrity will be top priorities as the platform develops. The architectural choices will play a crucial role in addressing these security concerns. With decentralized models potentially providing enhanced resilience against attacks. User accessibility and experience. A significant aspect of the platform's success will depend on its usability. Ensuring that the platform is user-friendly and easily accessible to various stakeholders including businesses, government entities and regulatory bodies is essential. This focus on user experience will drive engagement and facilitate smoother interactions among users. Timeline of events. April 1, 2022, project officially commences under the NSF contract. September 2022, initial phases of software architecture development begin emphasizing user requirements and security protocols. March 31, 2024, scheduled end date for Phase 1, evaluation of success metrics and user engagement will take place. March 31, 2026, potential extended deadline for further development and refinement based on feedback from early adopters. Conclusion. The development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 represents a significant step towards enhancing global economic ties through technology. The outlined software architectures provide a framework for addressing the complexities of international collaboration, balancing security, scalability, and user experience. As the project progresses, ongoing evaluations and adaptations will be essential to ensure that the platform meets the evolving needs of its users and the international community. The allocated budget and structured timeline underscore a commitment to fostering international cooperation in an increasingly interconnected world. This initiative is not merely a technological endeavor, it is a strategic approach to building stronger economic relationships that can withstand the test of time and adversity. The successful implementation of this platform could serve as a model for future collaborative efforts across various sectors and regions. The initiative to develop a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 with a budget of $4 million unveils several layers of complexity in software architecture and financial management. Here are some counterintuitive insights from the provided content. 1. Budget allocation versus progress. The project has an obligated amount of approximately $4.5 million, with $3.7 million already outlaid. This suggests that a significant portion of the budget has already been spent, implying that the initial phases of development may have incurred unexpected costs or that the scope of work was underestimated. Counterintuitively, one might expect that tight budgets lead to more conservative spending. However, this project's early expenditure indicates a possible need for rapid developments or adjustments in strategy. 2. Software architecture preferences. While centralized architectures are often favored for their simplicity and data integrity, the emphasis on decentralized and hybrid architectures in this project reflects a growing recognition of the limitations of centralized systems, especially in a multinational context. This counterintuitive shift suggests that traditional views on software design are evolving, as decentralized frameworks can lead to increased complexity and potential governance challenges not typically associated with centralized systems. 3. Collaboration over competition. The consensus on the need for economic collaboration among nations might seem obvious, however, the varying architectural preferences and the project's scope indicate a deeper complexity. The differing emphases on decentralized versus centralized systems highlight a counterintuitive reality where collaboration necessitates navigating diverse regulatory environments and local data sovereignty issues. This complexity can paradoxically create friction that undermines the very collaboration the platform aims to promote. 4. Potential for delays. The project timeline includes a potential extension until March 31, 2026. This suggests an acknowledgement of potential delays or challenges that may arise during development. Counterintuitively, while the initial timeline may appear ambitious, the inclusion of a fallback option reflects a realistic approach to project management that contrasts with the often overly optimistic timeline seen in large software initiatives. 5. User accessibility versus security. the emphasis on user accessibility and experience stands in contrast to the stringent security measures necessary for protecting sensitive financial data. It is often assumed that enhancing user experience leads to reduced security. However, this project acknowledges that achieving both is crucial. The counterintuitive perspective here is that focusing on user-centric design can actually bolster security measures by ensuring that security protocols are integrated seamlessly into the user experience rather than being an afterthought. 6. Funding and competition dynamics. The contract was awarded to Creative Business Solutions Incorporated under a sole-source procurement process, which might suggest a lack of competition. This could be seen as a negative aspect, however. It can also be interpreted as a strategic decision based on the unique capabilities or track record of the firm. Counterintuitively, this could lead to a more streamlined process that allows for greater innovation and efficiency than if multiple competitors were involved. 7. Diverse stakeholder engagement. The project aims to cater to various stakeholders, including businesses and government entities, which is standard. However, the challenge of balancing differing priorities and needs can lead to outcomes that might not align with the expectations of all parties involved. The counterintuitive realization here is that while inclusivity is typically viewed as beneficial, it can also complicate decision-making processes and slow down implementation due to diverse and often conflicting interests. In summary, the initiative to create a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 presents several counterintuitive insights regarding budget management, software architecture preferences, collaborative dynamics, and stakeholder engagement. Revealing a complex landscape that challenges conventional wisdom in project development and international cooperation. The report on the development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 highlights several critical aspects that many readers may overlook. Here are the significant elements and their significance. Overlooked key content. 1. Diverse software architectures. Centralized versus decentralized versus hybrid. The report outlines three distinct software architectures, but the implications of these choices are often understated. The centralized architecture, while offering data consistency and security, could become a single point of failure, especially in a multinational context where diverse regulations and data sovereignty issues exist. On the other hand, a decentralized architecture promotes resilience but may complicate governance and data integrity. The hybrid model attempts to balance these factors but requires careful implementation to avoid the pitfalls of both extremes. Understanding these nuances is crucial for stakeholders who may not fully grasp how these architectures will affect the platform's functionality and user experience. 2. Budget allocation and financial management. The report specifies a total obligated amount of approximately $4.5 million, with $3.7 million already disbursed. The significance of this financial overview is often overlooked, as it indicates not only the project's current standing but also the fiscal responsibility and transparency required in managing public funds. Stakeholders should be aware of how the remaining budget will be allocated amid potential project changes or unforeseen challenges. This understanding is vital for ensuring accountability and effective use of taxpayer money. 3. User accessibility and experience. The emphasis on user accessibility is mentioned but not deeply explored. The platform's success hinges on its ability to cater to a diverse user base, including businesses and government entities from varying cultural and technological backgrounds. Ignoring the significance of user experience could lead to low adoption rates, which would undermine the platform's intended purpose of facilitating global economic collaboration. Developers and stakeholders must prioritize user-centric design principles to ensure the platform meets the needs of all potential users. 4. Security measures. Although the report mentions the need for robust security measures, it lacks specific details regarding how these measures will be implemented and maintained. Given the sensitivity of financial data in a multinational context, the absence of a comprehensive security strategy could expose the platform to significant risks, including data breaches and loss of trust among users. Stakeholders must advocate for a clear cybersecurity framework and regular audits to safeguard against potential threats. 5. Stakeholder engagement. The report does not adequately address how stakeholders will be engaged throughout the development process. Ensuring that various parties, government entities, businesses, and end users are involved in the design and feedback loop is essential for the platform's relevance and usability. Ignoring this aspect could lead to a disconnect between the platform's capabilities and the actual needs of its users, ultimately hindering its effectiveness. 6. Projected timeline and milestones. While a timeline is provided, the significance of key milestones is not thoroughly examined. The scheduled evaluations and feedback sessions at the end of each phase are critical for assessing progress and making necessary adjustments. Failure to adhere to this timeline or to act on feedback could derail the project. Stakeholders should be aware of the importance of these checkpoints to ensure the project stays on track. 7. Cultural and regulatory considerations. Many reports fail to address the cultural and regulatory differences that can affect the implementation of a multinational platform. Variances in legal frameworks, economic practices, and technological readiness across countries can pose challenges that require tailored solutions. The significance of these considerations cannot be overstated, as they directly impact the platform's adaptability and acceptance in different regions. 8. Long-term sustainability. The report primarily focuses on the project's initial development phase without a clear discussion on long-term sustainability. After the platform's launch, ongoing maintenance, updates, and user support will be critical for its continued relevance and effectiveness. Stakeholders must consider how the project will evolve post-launch and what resources will be allocated for these efforts. Conclusion. While the report provides a comprehensive overview of the multinational economic collaboration platform, several critical aspects deserve more attention. The nuances of software architecture choices, budget management, user experience, security measures, stakeholder engagement, timeline significance, cultural considerations, and long-term sustainability are essential for the platform's success. Stakeholders must delve deeper into these areas to ensure that the project not only meets its immediate goals but also fosters lasting global economic cooperation. 1. Software architecture choices and implications. The three software architectures, centralized, decentralized, and hybrid, are crucial in shaping the functionality and adaptability of the platform. A centralized architecture offers ease of control but may hinder scalability, while decentralized models promote resilience and compliance with local regulations. The hybrid approach balances these aspects, catering to the diverse needs of multiple nations. An in-depth analysis of these architectures is essential to understand their respective benefits and drawbacks in the context of international economic collaboration. 2. Security and data integrity. In a multinational economic collaboration platform, ensuring robust security measures is paramount. The sensitivity of financial data, combined with the complexities introduced by differing national regulations, necessitates a comprehensive security strategy. This includes encryption, access controls, and compliance with international data protection laws. A detailed discussion on the security frameworks and protocols that can be implemented would be valuable in mitigating risks and safeguarding user trust. 3. User accessibility and experience. The platform's success hinges on its user-friendliness and accessibility for various stakeholders, including businesses and government entities. Creating an intuitive interface and ensuring compatibility across different devices and regions is critical. Analyzing user experience design principles and accessibility standards can provide insights into how the platform can effectively engage diverse users, thereby enhancing collaboration and participation. For budget allocation and financial management, the project's budget of $4 million with an additional $500,000 obligated highlights the importance of financial planning and management in the development of the platform. Understanding how funds are allocated across different phases, such as software development, security enhancements, and user training, can illuminate the project's priorities and potential challenges. A thorough examination of budget management practices will aid in ensuring the project's sustainability and effectiveness in achieving its objectives by 2025. 1. The European Union's Galileo Navigation System 2003-present. The Galileo project is a global navigation satellite system (GNSS) developed by the European Union. It aims to provide a highly accurate global positioning system that is independent of the US GPS system. The initiative has involved multiple countries and organizations across Europe and beyond, highlighting the complexities of multinational collaboration in technology and infrastructure. The project has seen various phases of development, significant budget allocations, and has faced challenges in timelines and management. 2. The International Space Station 1998-present. The ISS is a multinational collaborative project involving space agencies from the United States NASA, Russia Roscosmos, Europe ESA, Japan JAXA, and Canada's CSA. It serves as a space laboratory where scientific research is conducted in astrobiology, astronomy, meteorology, and physics in a microgravity environment. The project has a complex organizational structure and has required significant investments and technological innovations, demonstrating the importance of international cooperation in advancing scientific knowledge and capabilities. 3. The World Trade Organization 1995-present. Established to regulate international trade, the WTO provides a framework for negotiating trade agreements and resolving disputes among member countries. The organization promotes free trade by lowering tariffs and other trade barriers. It operates on a multinational platform that requires collaboration among diverse economies, illustrating the challenges and successes of creating a cohesive economic framework that addresses various national interests and regulatory environments. The WTO has faced criticism and challenges in adapting to contemporary global trade dynamics, but remains a fundamental aspect of international economic governance. Future outlook: development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025. The establishment of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 represents a pivotal step in fostering global economic ties and cooperation. With a budget of $4 million, the project, spearheaded by Creative Business Solutions Incorporated under the National Science Foundation (NSF), is set to address significant economic challenges through technology. This analysis provides predictions regarding the potential impacts and developments stemming from this initiative. 1. Enhanced global collaboration. Prediction: by 2025, the platform will significantly enhance economic collaboration among participating nations. Rationale: as countries grapple with the complexities of globalization, the need for a unified platform that facilitates trade, investment, and technology sharing becomes increasingly paramount. The platform is expected to streamline communication and cooperation, allowing countries to respond more effectively to global economic challenges. Impact: increased collaboration will likely lead to more robust international trade agreements, technology transfers, and joint initiatives addressing global issues such as climate change and public health crises. 2. Adoption of diverse software architectures. Prediction: the adoption of hybrid software architectures will dominate the platform's development, balancing control and flexibility. Rationale: the use of centralized, decentralized, and hybrid architectures will cater to varying regulatory environments and data sovereignty issues across different nations. A hybrid approach allows for localized governance while maintaining overarching strategic control. Impact: this adaptability will not only enhance user engagement by accommodating different regional needs but also foster trust among participating countries, encouraging broader participation and investment in the platform. 3. Improved data security and integrity. Prediction: by 2025, The platform will implement advanced security protocols, becoming a benchmark for data integrity and economic collaboration. Rationale: given the sensitive nature of financial data exchanged on the platform, robust security measures will be paramount. The emphasis on security will drive innovations in encryption, access control, and user authentication. Impact: as nations become increasingly vigilant about data privacy and security, the platform's reputation as a secure environment for economic collaboration will attract more users and partners, enhancing its effectiveness. 4. User-centric design and accessibility. Prediction: the platform will evolve to prioritize user accessibility and experience, ensuring inclusivity for all stakeholders. Rationale: a user-friendly interface that accommodates various stakeholders, including small businesses, government entities, and international organizations, will be essential for widespread adoption. Continuous feedback and iterative design will be crucial. Impact: greater accessibility will empower smaller economies and businesses to engage in global trade, thus contributing to a more equitable economic landscape and driving innovation from diverse sources. 5. Economic resilience and crisis management. Prediction: the and IoT. Collaborative projects will lead to shared R&D initiatives and increased funding opportunities. Impact: this influx of investment will drive innovation, create jobs, and enhance competitive advantages for participating nations, positioning them as leaders in the global economy. 7. Evolving regulatory frameworks. Prediction: the platform will influence the evolution of regulatory frameworks concerning international trade and economic collaboration. Rationale: as nations come together on a shared platform, there will be increased dialogue regarding harmonizing regulations and standards, leading to more streamlined processes. Impact: a more cohesive regulatory environment will facilitate smoother trade relations, reduce barriers to entry for businesses, and promote a more integrated global economy. Conclusion: the development of a multinational economic collaboration platform by 2025 is poised to reshape the landscape of global economic interactions. With a focus on enhanced collaboration, diverse software architectures, robust security, user accessibility, and increased investment in emerging technologies, this initiative will foster resilience and adaptability in an ever-changing economic environment. As the project progresses, its success will depend on the commitment of participating nations to engage collaboratively and leverage the platform's capabilities to address shared challenges and opportunities in the global economy.